Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Friday morning, it is the 9th day of November. Happy Friday. Dense fog advisory in effect for much of central and south Alabama this morning. It's going to be a tough morning commute for a lot of folks with visibility down below a quarter of a mile. Hey, two fronts on the way today. The first delivers a round of showers and thunderstorms. That's a cool front. But the second cool front that arrives tonight delivers sharply cooler air just in time for the weekend and a great fall weekend. It's going to be good football weather this weekend, but everybody's talking about what's going to happen next week. The much colder air on the way, you probably have heard about it. It's going to be not only the coldest air of the season, probably the first freeze of the season, and a dramatic change to colder air. We'll talk about it now. Those are the headlines. Let's get into the details, starting with today.
Two frontal systems, both cold fronts on the way. The first one delivers a round of showers and thunderstorms today. The second one in the Midwest, you see that? That delivers the colder air tonight. So today, after the dense fog this morning, we have scattered showers and thunderstorms crisscrossing the state from west to east, moving across the state and into southeast Alabama this evening before the colder air arrives. Easy to see where the cold front is at midnight tonight, right? South of an Auburn to Montgomery line, moving into South Alabama, much cooler air. Showers and thunderstorms around today. High temperature is 68 by about midday. Then it gets a little cooler during the afternoon. Tonight's low 42. And then the winds out of the northwest. Then breezy cool tomorrow. Temperatures only in the 50s for a high temperature. I think the lows on Saturday night will be pretty chilly. We're talking about 39 by first thing on Sunday morning. Sunday is Veterans Day. There could be a late day shower. High temperature right around the 60-degree mark. And then showers and thunderstorms on Monday as an important frontal system heads this way. This is the real deal frontal system. And here's where it is. 6 a.m. Monday morning. It's around Little Rock, Arkansas, heading southeastward. We're actually between two fronts, so we're caught in a squeeze play. So a lot of rain, and then the colder air comes in. Look at that Tuesday map. Wow. Breezy, much colder, as the front has already gone by us Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. A little leftover moisture early in the day, even maybe a few snow flurries up in northwest Alabama. Not out of the question on Tuesday morning, and then a windy, cold, raw day. Temperatures will be falling into the 40s. The winds will make it seem colder, and then Tuesday night will be very cold, and by first thing Wednesday morning, we're talking about temperatures in the lower 30s. The first freeze probably for a lot of us. I see 31 Montgomery, 32 Troy, 33 around Dothan, 20s in North Alabama. What about wind chill? Well, look at this. We're talking about, there's not going to be much wind left over Wednesday morning, but enough to get us into the low 20s for wind chills, and maybe teens in North Alabama and a lot of teens over in the state of Georgia on Wednesday morning. So this is really some cold stuff. Freezing start, first one of the season, Wednesday morning. A cold day. I don't think we make it out of the 40s for a high temperature Wednesday. And here's the forecast for the next few days. Only 50s tomorrow. And then 39 on Sunday morning with a high around 60 on Veterans Day, 20% chance of an evening shower. Monday, rain and some thunderstorms perhaps with a high around 59, only in the 50s early in the day Tuesday before it falls to the 40s, and then a high of 49 Wednesday after a morning low of freezing or below. And I think we may be near freezing that following morning, too, on Thursday morning, before we start to warm up that following weekend. We're talking about November 17th, 18th. Our weather app keeps you on top of all these weather changes. It's great to have on your phone or tablet because it also has hourly forecasts and 10-day forecasts, too. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.
Hey, thanks to all of you for all your great birthday messages yesterday. I read all of them. It was a good birthday because at Blue Water, birthdays are a big deal. And I'll be together with my Blue Water gang this morning, Greg, Jay, and Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog. It's from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Hey, Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking weather this morning, and boy, do we have a lot to talk about. Join us on TV this morning on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. And there's no video tomorrow, of course, because it's Saturday, but even on Saturday and Sunday morning, I'll get up and write you a blog update about all this cold air coming in, this dramatic change next week. Have a good day today. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the entire Blue Water family of stations. I'll see you later.